In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize your marketing calendar in GoDaddy. We'll walk through the process of finding the marketing calendar inside your GoDaddy account and using it to plan content like social posts, email campaigns, blog posts, or full marketing campaigns. This is a very helpful tool if you want to stay organized and keep your marketing efforts scheduled in one place. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your Profile section. Click on your profile and from there, select My Products. This area shows the products and services connected to your account, so it's where you'll go to access the website you want to manage. Next, find the specific website you want to work on and click into it. Make sure you're selecting the correct website, especially if you manage more than one. Once the website dashboard opens, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In that side menu, click on Marketing and then click Calendar. This is where you'll be able to organize and schedule your marketing activity. Inside the Calendar section, click Create. This is the starting point for adding something new to your marketing plan. You'll then see different options available, and here you can choose whichever type best matches what you want to create. For example, you might select a social post if you're planning content for social media, an email campaign if you want to reach your audience through email, a blog post if you're preparing website content, or a marketing campaign if you want to organize a larger promotional effort. After choosing the option you prefer, go ahead and enter the necessary details. Take your time here and fill in the information carefully so your calendar stays clear and useful. Depending on what you selected, this may include things like the title, date, descriptions, or other relevant content details. The more accurately you complete this part, the easier it will be to manage your schedule later. Using the marketing calendar this way can make your planning process much smoother. It helps you see what content is coming up, avoid missing important dates, and keep your marketing more consistent over time. If you regularly update the calendar with your planned content, it can become a simple but effective way to stay on track. That's how to utilize your marketing calendar in GoDaddy.